Hey YouTube! Merry Christmas Eve! I'm with Shmari. We in here. I ain't seen this chick in a couple of months. This is my bestie!
The bestie since 2003.
We bored right now. Ain't got nothing to do because the mall closed at 6 o'clock because of holiday hours, which is lame.
Exactly.
Ain't nobody getting nothing for Christmas because everybody got them Concords. That's a shame. People been dying over them Concords.
Dying.
Yes, they were shooting and stuff too. People was fighting over some shoes. Like, it's not that serious.
Wow, that's crazy.
Everybody can go to Walmart and get you some of them. Get you some of them $15 shape ups, and they help make your body in order to.
Right. Booty boosters.
Right. It's not. It ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. All you gotta do is just go to. Karen, this is my mama. But it's not nothing. All you gotta do is go to Walmart and get some shape ups. It's not that hard.
Not that hard. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Right.
When old school was hot.
And the jungle funny how money ain't sweet like sugar ain't. Niggas on the street like hookers, I tongue kiss her other tongue. Skeet, 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 one is gun. Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. Tucci, now she want a photo. You already know though, you only live once, that's the motto, nigga. Okay, our next video, we're doing an advice column, so check it out. Pow, pow, pow. Anybody say can't see him cause the money in the way. Real nigga, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Real nigga, what's up? What's up?
We should do a nail tutorial.
Now she want a photo. You already know though. You only live once. That's the motto, nigga. Okay, guys, we're gonna be coming up. We're gonna do a nail tutorial and an advice column with Cameron Newell and I don't know. Oh, we're gonna do a music review too. Yeah. Oh, and I did my nails yesterday. I don't know if you can see it, but this is Crackle. This is ugly. This is like the ugliest design I ever did. And on the ring is like a manicure, flowers and stuff. I don't know. But bye.